Loving you feels so ignited. Something new. I want it.
I go by the name of Simphiwe Mabuya, BKA, the real binary, Sim, the real binary. And yeah, man, I do Jazzhop. And yeah, welcome to my space. This is where we act on a daily basis. And we're about to take you on a journey of who we are, what we do. Jazzhop, it's self-explanatory. Basically, iyazichaza, you know. Uthatha i-jazz, uyidibanise ne-hip-hop, hlangane and kupe i-jazzhop. It's basically focusing on more what is music, you know, and basically focusing on the lyric as well and how these two come together, then producing what is jazzhop, something listenable, something that is, it's like food for thought, if I were to put it that way. So yeah, follow it up, check us out, and then you'll understand what Jazzhop is all about. It's music, real music, you know. What basically inspires me is life, but life is general as well. So it's things that are real, that are happening to me, things that have happened to people that are close to me, the music that I listen to.
Hip hop, I love ya. Hip hop, I love you not. I place the one about me, you're the only one I got. Hip hop, I hate ya. Hip hop, I hate you not. I don't appreciate you, do I mean that? Hip hop, I love ya. Hip hop, I love you not. I place the one above you, you're the only one I got. Wait, hip hop, I hate ya. Hip hop, I hate you not. I don't appreciate you, do I mean that? No, I don't.
The company that I keep, you know, your social ills, art. So yeah, man, those all together inspire what goes through my head or what should go out of my head, and the things that I say and the music that I write. Yeah, in a nutshell, it's just basically life and just being real. So the album, basically the album is called Perceptions. And what inspired the album is first the actual, you know, name of the album, Perceptions, meaning that it's things that I've experienced, it's things that I've seen, things that I've heard, things that I've tasted, things that I feel. So Perceptions, when you listen to the album, Perceptions will give you exactly what I'm telling you about. I'll be touching, you know, subject matters that are close to that. And also the other thing that inspired the album was the fact that I listened to a lot of jazz, yeah, a lot of jazz, like your Gregory Porters. I listen to hip hop because that's who I am, but I take certain types of rap music or hip hop music, not everything, you know, as long as it has substance, as long as it's music that speaks to me, then I'll listen to it. If it moves me, I'll listen to it. If it's saying something to me, then I'll definitely listen to it. And that's then in turn the music that I give to you as well, you know, from all those inspirations and the types of music that I listen to. I also like watching documentaries a lot, and from my work, the work that I've been doing, you know, your 9 to 5, because everybody now and again does that. So I've been doing a lot of philanthropic work, and it has somehow contributed a lot to the kind of music that I do, in terms of, you know, the stories, in terms of the subject matters. That also gave a lot of inspiration to the subject matters in the album, you know. So yeah, what we started doing was we took out like teasers, teasers just to give abahlali ukuthi what to expect, what the project is going to be about.
But to speak from the heart, ngathi Mabuya ugila cela iphepha ndifuna ubhala siba lwami ndifuna ukhala uzutsho ubanda kutyhola I think buthanda udyola you never played your part ziphi inkomo zamalobola that's why ties akhatha ukhoya hope uyasola always good and well as far as I could tell until ikuphela ihlangu nempahla ibedlakadlaka then it felt like hell almost cracked the shell uhlelo njuni wangu bubomi bumthakathaka mina inganyeli ingxaki nothing is ever lavish andikwazi uhlala ngafaki bandichole phansi like rubbish.
So that has been going very well. Abantu, they can't wait, like, yo, bring out the album and we're hungry. So what we did, we thought, okay, Masqale's Coupe, the first single, which is called Infatuation, is out there already, making rounds, you know, on your social media platforms. It's out there, on radio. Give thanks to all the radio stations that are pumping it. And sooner or later, unaqala izawulandelwa i-video yayo. And yeah, big ups to Sister Jane featuring in that song. So it's a beautiful song, you know, love it, enjoy it, share it amongst family, take the message, you know, but okay, depends what you like, but yeah, that's what it is. It's a very interesting question. But if I were to put a color on my music, it'll be those kind of hues that are like quite deep, not dark, not bright, but retro, you know, with a certain brown type of texture and some black there and some, you know, depends, but those are the type of colors that I would actually give to the music. Warm, you know, type of colors. Yeah.
Can somebody pinch me? Don't be dancing, I'll be glad if you could teach me. Like the Kaluspina, I'm feeling kinda stupid. My heart has got an arrow. Untubulilo tupid, cheetah kana next. I hope that I'm your type. So come and get a pegs with handle way to tell me ripe. You that girl up in my dreams I never thought that I could catch. Ekhaleni banomon, some are saying we're not a match like Beauty and the Beast, Fiona and an ogre. What we got is spiritual, never close to physical. You got the gist, now you know I'm your guy. You like a miracle, got me going lyrical. Yeah.
I'm so excited. Loving you feels so good.